Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you in case you have a Miele brand washing machine and you're getting an F104 error. So what is this error and what can we do to get rid of it? So the error itself is coming from a low voltage error into the mechanisms that drive the machine. So this is a little bit of a complicated error to deal with because this could be the weak electricity could be internal or it could be external to the machine. If it's internal to the machine, it's likely you're going to have to call a technician because there might be some kind of loose or deteriorated wire or corroded wire or something like that on the inside of the machine. But what you can do in the meantime is just check and make sure that your machine is getting the electricity that it needs to run properly. And that means that make sure that it's on a designated circuit and that you're not using an extension cord. If you are using an extension cord, make sure you're using one that's heavy duty enough to carry the current that the machine needs. But if you're using like a too thin of an extension cord, it can end up causing all kinds of electrical problems. And if it is and you replace it or you take it off the extension cord, which should happen anyway, but if you're unplugging it, leave it unplugged for a full minute to do a hard restart on the machine, because these electronic errors can sometimes be fixed just with a hard restart, which is just removing power to the machine for a full minute. Anyways, hope this video helped you at least figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.